Hi guys, I would like to make a promotion video for fish. So if you're a beginner in Linux, you want to be helped, and one of the things we can do on ArcoLinux and other ArcoLinux based system is, depending of course of what you did on your system, is something called toFish. So toFish is basically changing the shell, and at this point in time I am already on fish and have a little design up here which is called tide. But the topic is learning. Fish helps you quite a lot, and I've learned that also in my last videos I've made. I went to Solos, I went to Fedora, right? So there are some moments when I switched and fish helped me out. So it is quite helpful to install. You saw already the code. So the code I typed already, he thinks maybe he wants to do that again. So you can, with an arrow or other options in the keyboard, you can finish things or say, okay, go and install me fish. So fish is the shell, bash, zsh, fish. And then there is also configurations. In ArcoLinux, we have an ArcoLinux fish configuration package. But that's all the technical stuff. The thing is, it's handy, it's useful to learn. So, well, what I've done years and years is read pacman, right? I did not go to the internet because there's the Arch wiki pacman. But when we wanted to remember again, what was it again? -q what, right? Query, database, remove, sync. You see the capital letters there. Okay, but pacman helps you, well, not pacman, fish helps you if you say tab, right? I said, okay, you can choose between database, file, help, sync, remove, query, and you read on if you choose on. So if I say -s, sure, -s, but then I can do tab again. I can say, remove all packages from cache. Super interesting, because what happens to people sometime, they download the package, it's corrupted, it's wrong, it's kaput, right? It's in the var cache in your local system. Then you try to reinstall it because you heard you need to uninstall it and reinstall it. And where does it come from? From the cache again. You're trying to reinstall the wrong package. So you need to clean the cache, that command. And then you can try to rebuild it or try to reinstall it. And then it comes from the internet, from another repository, not your local folder. So there's lots of information available. List all packages in repository, and there are lots of things that you can say, oh, let's have a look, and that's nice to know, stuff like that. And it goes on, like Q goes on. And then the remove option, these are the things I can do. We do it all the time. We do the S all the time, the N from time to time, and the D, watch out for those, right? Alt-T by Mrs. Not a wallpaper. So that's the thing I would like to share. If I type git, look what he does. He remembered that I typed something to get my ArcoLinux Nemesis script, because guess what? Right? Guess what? FF. It doesn't matter where I am. It doesn't matter with which ISO ArcoLinux based I work with. I just go to the GitHub of Eric Dubois, ArcoLinux Nemesis. I run my script, this one. All of them will be automatically started, and I get an operating system that I want based on Endeavour OS. So, fish guys, if it sounds good, I'll make a next video will be the one to install it on ArcoLinux. Cheers.